Hello, welcome. Let's see how we can deal with this. As a revision, we have to find if the integral ranging from -2 to 3 of kt minus 1 dt is equal to 0, meaning we have to integrate the kt with respect to what? T. Now, this will imply that if we are doing integration, we are adding 1 to the power divided by the result. So 1 plus 1, 2. So this means we have kt squared divided by 2. This is also like 1 t exponent 0. If you add 1 to the 0, it becomes 1. Divide by that gives you 1 times t only. So this is from the lower limit of 2, 3, your result will be what? 0. This becomes k, let me write it the way it is here, 3 exponent 3 divided by 2 minus 3, all this minus k -2 all square, I think this is square, right? Divided by 2 minus your negative what? 2. I guess that is clear. Replacing the t with the lower limit and the what? Upper limit. Here will be 9 divided by 2 times k. So I have 9k divided by 2 minus 3 minus. This will also be -2 times -2. 4k divided by 2 negative plus 2. Alright, so let's open that bracket and see okay, remember we are having equals to 0 there. Here is also equals what? 0. So what do we do? Okay, let's see. We can have our 9k over 2 minus 3. This negative will affect here. So 4 divided by 2, that will give you 2k. So negative times that. Negative times this negative. So we have 2 equals to 0. Now, one of the easiest way is to find the LCM, which is going to be the 2. So I'll multiply both sides, both sides of each of the term by the 2. So this means that if I have 2 multiplying 9 on 2k, this and this will give you -5 multiplied by 2 minus 2k multiplied by 2, 0 times 2. Let me indicate that. So this will cancel to give you 9k minus 10. This is going to be -4k equals to 0. I can have my 9k minus 4k equals to 10. What happened? I'll have 5k equals to 10. Then k will be what? 10 divided by 2, going to be divided by 5, right? Which will give us what? 2. Meaning the value of the k here is going to be 2t minus 1. So when you put in the values of the upper limit and the lower limit, your integral will give you what? 0. That is the concept we are only trying to apply in here. I guess you refresh your memory again on the integration. Like, share, comment, and what? Subscribe.